What's up, guys? It's been a little while, so in this video I wanted to show you guys a little bit more about my plant-based diet that I follow. I'm going to show you a recipe or just what I do to create a smoothie when I'm on the run, when I need to just kind of do stuff quickly, because I know a lot of you guys are probably busy. The only reason I'm dressed up today is because I had an interview earlier, so don't worry about that. But I'm going to show you this smoothie that I do. And now this smoothie is for not really, it's a balance between lots of nutrients, getting all those nutrients in, getting all these superfoods in your diet. Really, it's just natural goodness. And a balance between that and taste. So, I mean, if you want to lean more on the taste side, then you could probably tweak this recipe a little bit more, but personally I care more about health and getting all the nutrients I want out of each meal and everything I'm doing. So I'll show you what I do. So basically there's some mixed berries that I have. And I just get, so I'll just turn this on here so you guys can see. I just basically guess, yeah. So I'll use those, all the rest of those berries. Then, and sometimes this creates 2 large cups. That'll do some mango. And I've got a nice spotted banana. Just because it's spotted doesn't mean you still can't use it. Smells okay. There's that. And then what I usually do then is I have this soy milk, Calci Plus soy milk. It's fortified with B12 and calcium and other stuff like that. It also has vitamin A and D in there. So that's kind of what that looks like. And again, I just kind of guess, just put it in there. If you're trying to do stuff quick in the morning, you don't want to be measuring stuff all the time. If you've got something left over, you can just store it for later, or you can share it. Then I have some raw cocoa powder in there. I do about 2 heaped teaspoons, just like that. That will do that. And the raw cacao powder actually is good. It has a lot of antioxidants, and it has magnesium in it. So get your magnesium from there. And then I've got some maca powder. Maca powder is really good for balancing your hormones and helping you, particularly for your sexual drive. So it makes you feel kind of, a little bit more aggressive in that department, I guess. For men and women, that is. So just a little bit of maca powder. Sometimes I just add a little bit more with good luck. Then I've got chia seeds. Chia seeds have omega-3, which is good for the development of your brain, the ongoing health of your brain, because omega-3 turns into DHA, so that you can get that. And then turmeric powder, which is just turmeric, just ground turmeric, right? If you have a normal turmeric root, you can also grind that down or cut it up and put that in there. Now, here's when the taste comes in. If you want more, like it to taste better, put less turmeric in. But, the more turmeric, the better. I mean, you don't want too much turmeric, so I put that in, probably about a tablespoon, equivalent of a tablespoon. Now, to activate the active ingredient in turmeric, which is curcumin, you need to put the piperin in, which is, your black pepper. So you put black pepper on, just see that, yeah, it's good. So I just kind of estimate, like I said, that'll do, put some pepper in there, like that. And before you think, oh, pepper in a smoothie, it's like, well, you won't even be able to taste it, trust me. You won't be able to taste the pepper. You'll be able to taste the turmeric though, so that's why you've got to watch out how much of that you put in. And then we've got linseed meal or ground flaxseed. It's the same thing, just a different name. And what I do with this is good also for omega-3. So that's how you get your omega-3s. And it's not just for that. It also helps with lower blood pressure as well, if you have high blood pressure. So that's good. And then I've got ground cloves. There's them there, ground cloves. Basically, ground cloves, I just add them for a little bit of flavor, and it's very potent antioxidants in cloves. So you're just boosting the oxidant density, the antioxidant density of the smoothie by putting that in there. As well as the berries in the beginning. Berries are very high antioxidants. They're one of the best fruits you can eat. I can't remember what study it was, but basically people were dying earlier because they didn't eat enough fruit. Fruit is something that is very beneficial for your health. A lot of antioxidants, and not many people forget to eat their fruit. So you do need that, a lot of vitamins in fruit. Now, this is a natural peanut butter. So, it's just peanut butter. It's not like added heaps of crap in it. You know what I mean? So I just put a little bit of peanut butter in there to taste. And peanut butter also has like some B vitamins that are good for you. There's good healthy fats. So that's that there. Sorry, I'm just going to lick the spoon there. Now, let me see what I've got going. Okay. Now, I've got some dates. Add some pitted dates to add for the flavor because, you just want to balance out the flavor. You don't want to add too many dates. I mean, the more dates you add, the more sweet it's going to be. But I just add a few there like that. And then I add some ginger. Some ginger there that I just cut up. It's going to get more refined once the blender goes. And then I normally put, I think that's about it. Yeah, so many powders and ingredients. So put that in there, just a little bit more soy milk to make it easy to blend. So soy milk's also good for you. Soy products are a healthy alternative to having milk because you're not getting the casein protein from milk, which has been shown to be harmful for your health, basically. I'll link some other stuff in the description about soy milk and stuff, and you can check that out for yourself. This is just to help you do this fast. So let's get to it. Then I just blend it up. Beautiful. Nice. It's looking good. Right? And then what I do is then I just add the kale at the end there because kale's got like a bunch of vitamins, like massively. Probably the most healthiest thing is like kale, right? So you just smash some kale in there. Honestly, you don't really taste the kale. The main thing that is going to make this, pretty potent to eat is going to be the turmeric. So just watch the turmeric levels of what you do and, balance that out with the amount of fruit. So you just plop that in there like that. Nice. And then you just whip it up again. There you go, beautiful. Then you get a cup and There you go, you got your smoothie. So it's packed full of goodness right here. Made a little bit of a mess. Tastes great. I love it. So there you go, guys. A nice, quick, power-packed smoothie to start your day. You know, the maca is going to get you feeling sexually good. The cacao powder is going to get you with those endorphins and antioxidants. You know, the fruit is going to get you, it's going to lift you up, it's going to taste good, it's going to make you feel fresh in the morning. The linseed meal is going to lower your blood pressure. It's going to help you in that regard. Turmeric, it's going to help you with anti-aging. It's going to help you, you know, fight those free radicals, fight those pre-cancerous cells. You know, so, and peanut butter, get your protein in there with all that, and your healthy fats. So, and don't forget the kale. Lots of vitamins, keeping you healthy, lots of, you know, keeping your skin healthy and everything like that. Well, thanks guys for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Leave any comments in the description down below if you want me to create a video on something specific. So thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.